all the sports person and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all at this beautiful Varca beach in Goa, India. I extend being the Chief Minister of the vibrant tourist destination, I extend my proud gratitude to the organizers for having chosen Goa as a destination for this prestigious event. I assure the organizers for all the necessary support in the current championship as well as their events in future, and which will be help in positioning Goa on the global sporting map too. I wish all the best to all the competing teams and hope that the best team wins. Also, I am sure that upon competing to this tournament, you will be take back the fond memories of the Goa with you back to your homeland. Once again, the welcome one and all to the state of Goa for this Volleyball World Beach Pro 2 2023.
As our Honorable Chief Minister and all the cabinet colleagues are very enthusiastic about the sports, at the same time the culture and the tourism will take this Goa to a very greater heights. I'm not talking more on this occasion, but I wish all the teams all the best to each and everyone and have a comfortable stay in the state of Goa.